Hi, this is Kelley Holmes reporting for PrintingNews.com, and today we're with Brian Dollard from OSE. Thank you for joining us, Brian.
Thank you, Kelley.
Could you give us a little bit of an overview about OSE?
Sure. OSE is an international company headquartered out of the Netherlands, about 25,000 employees. Now is a Canna Group company. OSE is a company that manufactures, goes back actually over 125 years. It's a technology company, has manufactured printers for a number of years with a focus in a few different areas: high-end, transactional, continuous form printing historically, but also has developed in recent years a portfolio that's brought us into the commercial print space. Continuous form products bring us into the book printing space, but we've also developed cut sheet solutions specifically for the commercial print space, handling very high volumes. So we're seeing more and more of that. And in fact, with the becoming part of the Canna Group of companies, it just opened up a whole other portfolio of products that we can now take and really expand our reach in the commercial print space.
Excellent. So that integration will turn out to be best for the customer in the long run.
It really is an integration where there's very little conflict or overlap. So we bring things to the Canna Group that they haven't had, and vice versa. They bring a lot of solutions to the product that we really wasn't our strengths, but now we can really expand our reach within the segments we've traditionally served, but also really go out to additional segments that we hadn't served previously.
Excellent. Do you see digital eventually replacing offset, or what is your take on that?
I see things coexisting for quite some time. Okay. If we're going to talk about a total replacement, I think we're well beyond any one of our lifespans. But what we are seeing is a development of the technologies that's really giving the marketplace, the print service providers, and even their customers, different choices. Book printing is a great example. That is a static application that historically has just been done offset. We're seeing more and more done digital as new technologies are introduced. Inkjet, which give you formats that are more applicable to the commercial print space, speeds and total cost of operation. We're giving the publishers and the printers more choices to develop more business opportunities on their end. So that's, we are seeing a transition, but I think it's very much a complementary solution as opposed to a replacement solution in most cases.
Okay. And how specifically is OSE working to support printers in this transition?
That transition for us, we hear a lot of talk today about electrophotography or inkjet, black and white or color, and the battleground between all of these different things. Well, we see no battleground. For us, again, it's about being able to embrace all those solutions so that our customers have the choices to tailor the solutions to their specific needs. Beyond that, we've developed in recent years very much a peer-to-peer type of relationship with our customers. We're really trying to foster that. We foster that through customer advisory councils. We foster that through many of our events, our customers talking about what is being done with the technology as opposed to what you can do about the technology. So we're very much integrating the customers into our delivery of the message to the marketplace so that there's actually some practical application to support the business case that we're trying to put out there. So that in a nutshell pretty much defines, it's really a multi-levered approach to getting the customer's view involved.
Okay. And where do you see the opportunities for printers to grow their sales and profitability?
Now, so it's funny, it's almost, you can't say the word commercial printer anymore. You're a print service provider, you're a marketing service, and I really think there's, to get beyond just the wordsmithing, there's some reality to that. I think that the opportunity for the printers is to go beyond just delivering a printed sheet. We're seeing so many campaigns, applications that are multi-channel, that go out and print but are complemented electronically in some form. So we see the data, the web-based solutions, the database management component being very complementary to the print. And in many cases, the print then becomes really a smaller part of the equation. So for us, we've got to then be able to go back to the printers and say, this is where the market's going. Here's the data that supports that. But better, more importantly, here's the practical application. Here's the end-to-end solution. And really prepare them to go out and exploit that opportunity. But they really need to be able to embrace a broader view than historically we have.
Okay. So where do you see the printing industry in the next 10 years?
Okay. I see more of the same. I see a greater acceleration. I think inkjet is the driving force behind that. Inkjet enables the digital print providers to go to produce applications in a way that's similar to what they do today in offset. For example, what you're seeing in the continuous form space is half web, full web. That kind of mimics the offset world. Mm-hmm. When you see the cut sheet solutions or the sheet fed solutions coming out, and we're already starting to see a couple trickle in, you're going to see 4 up, 8 up. So we're going to see a technology that accelerates it because it better mimics the offset footprint that's out there, and will enable our customers to better leverage existing finishing solutions, and their workflows are set up for those formats. So more of the same, maybe at a faster pace, and more choices. And I think that's probably, to me, that's the most important thing. Electrophotography is not dead, offset is not dead, neither one are going away. I think we've given more choices to the print service providers so that they can work more efficiently and effectively and actually serve their customers better.
Mm.